and welcome back to another episode of Cindy's Home Kitchen. I'm Cindy.
Hey.
And as you can see, Teddy Bear is here. Teddy, say hi to everyone. There he is. And of course, he's in here because he knows, and I don't know where Ginger is, but he's somewhere around. But I hope everybody is doing okay. Michael, get away from me a little bit because you almost got me blind.
Sorry, Mama.
Anyway, guys, you know how I am. I like going to the supermarket and always looking like for cookies and stuff like that because I have this thing with sweets, you know. I can be eating a lot of it, but I have to have a little bit here, a little bit there. And, you know, then I figured out whatever, but I love to eat sweets. So I saw these and I said, you know what, Michael, let's make these pumpkin cookie dough for cookies. And they're already, you know, and as you can see here, it says that it's saved to eat raw.
That's
so
right.
You can eat or you can bake. And you can get 12 big cookies, right? And also it says pumpkin. It's a limited edition from Pillsbury. So the Pillsbury dough guy is that little thing made out of flour.
The little man.
The little man. And this has cream cheese with flavor chips. So as when Michael started recording this now, what I was doing was opening this. Oh, wow. And I know I might have a little piece of one when they're done. And then it says here, you know, all you got to do is place them on a cookie sheet, which I am. And you got to put them apart, right?
That's right.
Two. So how many you think? Because I don't know how big they're going to like. I think I can put 6 up here.
Oh, yeah.
Like, no problem, right?
Oh, yeah.
And just make sure they're separated enough from each other. I think that's perfect, right?
Oh, yeah.
And it also says to put it in the oven between 18 and 14 minutes. So I set up the oven before we started to 22 minutes. So right now it says 19 minutes and 26 seconds. I'm going to put them in. If they're done before, you will see, because I will turn them up exactly when we come back. Okay, guys? So thanks for watching. I'm happy that you guys are joining us with this cookie recipe that you can also, it says here that it's safe to eat. Okay, guys? So remember that. So with that, I'll let you guys go for like between 14 and 18 minutes. It says 19:03 right now. And when we come back, these delicious cookies will open and bake. And then we'll try one, see what they taste like, right? Thanks for watching. We'll be right back. All right. We're back, and thanks for coming back with us. And here we go. So the ones in the bottom, those on the top still need another 5 minutes. Okay, so this is how they come out. They look marvelous, Michael. I think they look really, really nice. But we do have to let them cool off, guys, because they're very, very hot. So we're going to give them a couple of minutes to cool off, and then we'll come back and put them on a plate, and I'll have Michael eat a little piece of one, okay? Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Guys, so I just started like putting the cookies, plating them. This is the second one. They're still a little bit warm, but they look beautiful. Oh, yeah. So what we're going to do later on, I'm going to have Michael here, guys, like eat a couple of these for you. And we'll sit over there on the table and over just chatting over what's going on. So with that, I'm going to let you guys go. Don't forget to subscribe. And if you guys want to make these, just when you go to the store, just try to find this. It's kind of like a limited edition, so it means, I guess, that this is not going to be out for a while, you know. So whatever they have, that's what they're going to sell. So you got to go and get yours, okay? And they're only $1.99, you know. And if you have the discount card in your supermarket, you're going to get that 10-20% off also, okay, guys? So with that, I'm going to let you guys go. We're on YouTube. We're also on Pinterest and also Patreon if you want to donate $1, $2, $5, $10, $100, whatever you want to give, we take. So with that, I'm going to let you guys go. Love you all. Don't drink and drive. Hey, and let's love each other and have a cookie. Thanks for watching.